For the meditation, there's another important thing is what we call 4 liberations. So the first is the primordial liberation. So primordial liberation meaning we are already liberated from beginning. We don't need to liberate again. So for example, for the meditation, the most important is awareness. And that awareness with us all the time, no matter who you are, where you are. And that awareness is more than thought, more than emotion, more than feeling, right? So awareness is like sky, and then thought, emotion, perception, memory, all these are like cloud. So no matter what kind of cloud comes, it doesn't change the sky, the essence of sky. The beautiful cloud, ugly cloud, blue sun shining, or dark with the hurricane in the night. It doesn't change the nature of sky. Sky is always free from beginning. So that is the primordial liberation, already free. And the second is what we call the self-liberation. So self-liberation, when you meditate, awareness, right? The awareness practice. So first you have to recognize the awareness when you meditate. So that's the view. You already understand, right? Awareness meaning knowing, knows what you're thinking, feeling, doing, seeing, experiencing, all this awareness. So when we meditate, first it's quite difficult to connect with awareness itself without using support. So we can use support like breath. So breath is to remind us to connect with awareness, breathing in, breathing out. So eventually, not only the breath is become support for you, actually what you see, what you hear, the sound, the visual object, the sound, the smell, the taste, sensation, thought, even emotion, everything become to help to recognize the awareness, support for your meditation. So that's what we call self-liberation. No need to get rid of thought, emotion, even negative emotion, even strong emotion, even crazy monkey mind. So crazy monkey mind also becomes support for your meditation. So this is the self-liberation. And number 3 is what we call the direct liberation. So this direct liberation is more with the present and special with the open awareness. So when we meditate, our mind, just awareness, be with awareness itself. No need to, you don't have to use any object. First you have to use object. Then eventually, not using any object. Like awareness is like light here in this room. In the space, there's a light, right? Now, there's space between you and me, or between this video and you, there's space. And this space, it has light. How you see light? You cannot see light in the space easily. You need to see light on something. Maybe you see on the screen now, you see light, my face, or you see light on the wall, ceilings, floor, something like that, right? So that's the first we practice awareness connected with object. Eventually, be itself, awareness be itself. So there's open awareness, just direct connect with awareness. To direct connect with the space. To see the light directly, no need reflect light on something. And number 4 is the complete liberation. So meaning is actually everything, all the phenomena is liberated. We all have this, our fundamental great quality. So you don't need to look liberation out there. It's in you, out there, up there, down there, everywhere. Liberate from inside, liberate from outside, liberate in between. So what we call pure perception. So once you know this point, everything is liberated for you. Easy. So complete liberation.